All right, welcome back. We're gonna be doing the fry challenge today. So we have about how many restaurants?
Like 6 or 7.
Six.
There's 7.
Okay, 7 fries, and we're gonna try to guess to see who's the best at guessing them. So we are the Jacinto crew, and we're gonna be starting. Oh, there's 8. Okay, so there's gonna be 8. You guys ready?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay.
What do we think here? Who's gonna win? Who do you think?
Oh, you want to name the? Did you write down all the places?
I didn't write them down, but
You
I
said
have
8
them already.
locations?
Or you go
8
show
locations,
That's
different kind of
show the
fries.
bag.
That's a lot.
All right,
Okay,
I'll put 'em
show
out.
the bag.
8 locations.
And then do the thing.
I didn't even think. Okay, in this
You guys get
area
6?
alone.
So, there's. I'll say the ones I got. You say the ones you got.
Mhm.
There's Burger King, McDonald's, KFC, and In-N-Out.
KFC!
Yes, French fries. Wow.
That was the wild card.
That's-
Okay.
I
that's-
should have
Yeah.
went to Tommy's. I was
Okay.
gonna go somewhere else.
Okay.
I went to Carl's, Jack in the Box, and what's the other
Del
one?
Taco.
Del Taco.
All
Okay,
right.
Carl's, Jack in the Box, Del Taco, KFC.
I kind of regret not going to Steve's.
Where else, Elijah?
Should have gone to Steve's.
Burger King, In-N-Out, KFC, and
Man, I'm gonna need a
McDonald's.
list. I can't even.
I'm just gonna show them
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, at least I know Del Taco. That's all I know.
Alright.
So you think? And you better get that right, boy. You better get
Alright,
that
let's
right.
see.
Did they say McDonald's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's
There's
right.
Moses.
There's
There's a Moses.
Yeah.
Isaiah.
Alright.
Elijah.
Okay, so
Because they know who you are.
Melissa.
I'm Melissa. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Monica.
This is Monica. We have.
Oh, I'm Raymond.
I'm Elijah.
I'm Isaiah.
I'm Moses.
Alright, we're ready.
Guys. All right, they're ready for you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we have an audience too.
Okay, this is the first one.
What is it?
Oh.
That's it.
Don't let me hear the paper.
They already know the
I
paper.
could tell by the paper.
Dang. I could tell by the grease.
Was
You can tell by the smell.
Monica.
Oh yeah, you can
She's like,
check my notes and I'll tell
That's
you.
true,
Canola
that's
oil.
true.
No, it's vegetable.
Okay.
So you're gonna get 3 each. They're gonna put it in your mouth and then.
Oh, in our mouths?
I don't even need to smell these ones.
I want to smell them.
You back on the sandwich.
It's a danger zone.
Okay, are you ready?
Here we go, ready?
Yeah.
Don't say your answer yet. You
All
gotta wait.
right.
Don't say your answer till later.
Which one? Yeah.
Eat them both. Eat them.
Wait, wait.
I'm giving you all of them.
All at once?
Whoa, that's pretty rough.
No.
What are you giving? 3
Yeah,
at
I
once?
can hear the. I can hear the cup that's in that. Careful. I know my. I know my stuff.
Okay.
Monica, you know it?
Alright.
Got it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna move this.
I can go.
Wait, Dad, are you helping?
Yes.
Okay.
Elijah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Kimmy, I'm right.
I hear all
in
these
front of
munching.
you.
Right. I think I know.
Hey, don't shake the container around either.
You guys should put them all.
Oh, you got okay. You got Raymond?
All of them.
Wait, can I
Sounds
get?
like
Yeah, yeah,
Because they can hear the. They
Okay.
can hold on whether it's in a bag
Yeah,
or a box.
that's true.
I know them.
man, I kind
I
of
know
look. Need
some.
another. I need another
Me
batch.
too.
I'm not gonna lie.
That's the problem with these fries. You guys just after. You get that multiple.
Yeah, you guys want another taste of that one.
I'm shaking in my own box.
I do.
Me.
Or she can pour them in the bag. Huh?
I think I know. No, I think I know.
I know, because
I
I need.
think I know.
You know why? Because I know, because I want
I don't
more.
know.
Oh, that's a good one.
Wait, I need to smell it.
Who else wanted one?
Can't be dropping hints to you guys. I'm trying to beat you guys. You're my
Oh,
competition,
sorry.
Oh, we got one now.
That is true.
right?
One right now.
That's okay, we have to see.
Let me know when it's ready. Then.
Who's my competition here, Theo?
Oh yeah.
Steven's over there.
I gave them one.
Oh, yeah.
I gave whoever wanted it.
We're
Yeah, I think I
Okay,
know.
give me the
Who's
first
my
one.
competition, Theo
I
Vic?
know, I wrote it down.
Wait, can I get the list
Oh,
of
you
where
ready?
we're at?
You're my competition? Wow, let's see.
Me and Ray are about
Can
to
we have the next one? I'm hungry.
I don't know. Monica might be a little heavy hitter.
be. Monica's like that.
I
You
think
don't
they're
know
all
about.
bags.
They're all.
They're all bags.
Monica's like that silent killer. You know what I mean? She'll come out of nowhere, bro.
Yeah, I
Wait,
can't overlook
okay,
Moses.
I need names again.
Okay.
Yeah,
Come on, if you don't know this,
Yeah,
sis,
you got
if you don't
Del
know the.
Taco, you
I think
got,
eight's too many. Okay, you guys ready?
8 is a lot.
ready?
All right, yeah.
Oh wait, we're not able to hear.
Wait, are we trying to say names?
We'll say it all together once, and then we'll go one by one
Yeah,
after.
they can't change their answer.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Wait, hold on.
I gotta make sure this is the right pick I make.
So you want me to name them all?
Yes.
Or you guys?
Yeah, name them off.
Yeah. What we got? Carl's,
Okay.
McDonald's, Del Taco, Burger King, Jack in the Box, In-N-Out,
I got it.
and there's a
You can say
secret one. Are we giving up that one?
The name.
We should have two secret ones.
The ingredient one is Kentucky Fried Chicken.
But we should have another secret one, right, Samar?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, 3, 2, 1.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
What's the McDonald's we had?
I'm loving it.
Hey, what was it? What did you
I
say?
heard another
BK.
Wait,
Oh, sorry, Mom.
So we got-
Dude, those. I know the fries from McDonald's. That was.
I know,
not-
I know.
that
I
was-
honestly, Moses,
I had the
I
fry.
said
I had the
McDonald's
fry that was
too.
super long.
It got me when
Moses
it had
already out
the
of the
soggy
competition.
one. I honestly,
McDonald's
I
fries?
honestly think I thought it was Carl's for a
what'd you
second.
say, Melissa?
I said
They- what you
Carl's are thicker.
What'd you say,
I
Melissa?
know. I said
McDonald's after a
Okay.
while.
You're in the
they
game
got
still.
Oh, you know what? We're still
But-
playing this game. We're still good.
McDonald's has that crunch.
Right now, Moses is the only one that's not in
Wait,
it.
wait, wait. Let's not get the details.
Listen,
I know.
She said McDonald's.
I know. I did
Oh,
see McDonald's. and
Yeah, they're still the money. Moses isn't though. Moses
Oh,
got
I don't know.
Dude,
Mo, you
dude.
messed up.
I honestly,
That
I
probably
think it was
don't
Carl's Jr. I think I messed up.
We're on the second one.
Nah, trust me.
Nah, I know that.
McDonald's gets some flimsy fries.
You know why? Because you want
Yeah.
more. That's the
I
reason
had that
want
fry that
more.
was
That's when you
super
know.
long. and I know
Salt. That
that.
has something in that
Where
salt.
we going now,
McDonald's
Theo?
fries are not
We
that
going for the
long.
next one?
Yeah, the second one.
All right. Let's do it. Put it in my mouth. Put it in my mouth.
Okay, Monica, ready? Smell first.
I get it last.
Okay, I got this.
Everybody munch
Okay.
my ears.
Ready. Smell it?
I'll take 3, Dad.
I'll take
All fries smell like the same color.
I want my one by one so I can texture it out.
Okay.
Actually, that's.
I gave you
yeah, I'll
two,
take one,
but-
Dad.
I said-
One right now. One right now.
I don't know.
Ready?
yeah.
You better taste those fries.
You need more, Monica?
One?
Monica, how many you eating over there?
I have 3.
What the? How
No,
you
I
eat a
only
half?
gave her 2.
Oh, okay.
It's cut off. That.
Oh, yeah. This is my alley,
I had
Theo.
2 in my hand.
This is my alley, baby.
I know this one.
Easy. I don't even need another one. Let me just have another one.
I can.
Another one?
For
It's
fun.
the grease over me. This is different.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Anybody else?
I know
You
this
don't
one.
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
I know this one too. You guys good?
Hey, man, you can't be trying to win into our taste of me, you and
Yeah,
I.
you guys are doing it too.
Yeah. What? You're ready to do which one?
I know, Mom.
Yeah.
You do that with the burgers.
All right. I'm ready. I'm ready to count down. Wait. Everybody ready? Yeah.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah, because I have to write what everybody's
Yeah.
saying down.
I'm stuck between 2.
Me too.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Carter.
Oh my God, different answers there.
I say
I say Car-
I say one Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Okay.
I say Jack in the
I
Box.
say Carl's Jr.
I
Wait,
take
hold
Carl.
up, dang.
Okay, Monica.
Okay, what'd you say, Melissa?
I said Jack's.
Okay.
Oh shoot!
I say Carl's.
Okay.
I said Carl's, but damn, I forgot Jack's was in there.
Yeah,
you know.
I said Carl.
Carl's.
Wait,
I don't know
think- I
about
didn't hear you guys say
Moses.
Carl's.
I know about both of
said, hey,
them.
we can replay that at the end. I said Carl.
I don't know about this too.
I'm not cheating.
That's true. You can replay it. You're
Yeah, we're
right.
gonna check that clip
Dude, you know
out.
what, Ray?
Dude, we should be writing.
You guys want water or you guys good?
You know, that was a
Oh
little
yeah,
foggy.
yeah, we do need
Yeah,
water.
they need water.
No, I'm sticking with my gut.
I think it was Carl's, but
Yeah.
at the same time, it might have been something else.
That's the only
I
two.
thought
That's
it
the
was
only
gonna be
ones that could be
foggy
different.
I thought it was
We're
Carl's
gonna
too,
go get some
I
water.
thought
They have
because of the smell of the potato skin, you
Second,
can
third
smell.
one. Let me get some
Yeah,
water.
Third one.
But it's really odd because of
Número tres.
no.
Oh yeah, what about water?
No,
You should have brought a curly fry in the mix.
Hablamos en español. Dame un papa frita.
Sorry, people. I get this water now.
We're gonna cut this out.
Yeah. Oh, here's all this out.
It's not gonna make it to the cut.
Oh, that's what
Yeah. Talk.
This guy.
Un papa
Doesn't do the
frita.
peanuts.
Man, Ray, I'm really second guessing myself. No.
Yeah, because that it's only the only difference between Jack's.
Yeah.
the green
Yeah, it was between Jack and Carl's. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, hold on. I forget.
That's cooked in.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's by Elijah's feet. Elijah, pick it to the right.
I felt like it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, fried chicken. I know.
I love
I
Kentucky Fried
don't. I
Chicken.
don't know KFC fries either.
If it's a potato wedge,
Look down.
Okay. You know what it is? You guys ready? Let us
Yeah.
know when you're ready.
Wait, wait, wait.
Oh,
Did somebody say they got Popeyes?
No.
No. Okay, good.
Oh, dang, that would have been crazy.
Low key, cause.
There we go.
Okay.
This is the next one.
Next.
You ready?
I will be back.
Yes,
Ready?
I'm on Papa Frita.
Put it in her mouth.
I have to smell it.
What else
first.
she wants to smell it?
Oh,
Okay,
Oh my gosh, you like smelling salt?
Jimmy. Right in front of you.
Oh
I
man.
think I'm gonna do bad this time. I
Ready?
got life.
Mm.
Oh, I got it.
Dang it.
Oh yeah,
I know this
baby.
one. I know this one.
Oh, Theo.
Wait, I didn't. No, I think I know this one.
Where's mine
mine.
at? Where's mine
It's
at?
a ready
You're
to
talking.
No, I know this
Wait,
one.
Monty,
I know this one.
can I have another one?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
no.
Dang it!
Me.
Oh.
Oh, I know this one.
Oh, yeah. This, oh, yeah.
Okay, they're in front of you.
I think so too.
I usually dip this in something.
Dang it! I got it wrong.
There you go.
I know what it is.
You know,
Okay.
Okay.
They have taste. They have
they're actually
taste.
really good.
Yeah, they are. Those ones are good.
I actually, when I think about it, when I do eat them, like, yeah, it's really
There you
good.
guys.
Wait. Is Burger King in here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Easy. Let's go.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta say
Really?
this one out loud.
2, 1.
Jack in the Box.
Oh wow. Okay.
You heard it,
I
right?
said Carl.
What'd you say?
Shoot.
I said Jack.
Oh, I'm on fire.
Ah, I said Burger King.
I said Jack in the
I
Box.
said Jack in the
I
Box.
said Jack.
It was Jack. I don't know, man.
Okay, wait. Okay, what?
Oh, I'm like
What did most of it-
4.
They all said
I said Jack.
I said Carl.
Melissa and Mon-
Well, Moses already out the
Initially,
game.
I thought it was.
I'm not out.
It was
I'm
Jack.
not out.
Mo, you mentioned the first one, Mo.
I said-
Come
I
on.
thought it was
No,
Jack
there's
Buck,
no
and then
way.
I thought it was
All your competition with the girls.
I said
Carlos?
I
I'm
said
4
Burger
for
King.
3 for 4. I'm doing it.
Burger
But
King.
I know. I don't think it was Burger King. Burger
Nah, you
King's
guys don't know your
thicker.
fries. Me and Ray know our fries.
Right now, I know me and Elijah are
Yeah, that's what you were
We're
saying
tied.
last time, Elijah, and then you got them all wrong.
Melissa, I'm telling you right now, I'll bet $100 I got all of them right. I promise.
We got a
You said
wager.
that.
Liz, I would take that bet.
Take the bet.
I would take that bet, Liz.
Matter of fact, I bet you right now I get them all right.
Take
I
the
bet you,
wager.
That's
Take the
money, Melissa.
I'm playing peanut
No,
on
you
that.
Strong
Dang it, I
peanuts.
really think that was
I
like.
think that you.
She said I'm throwing
I'm
peanuts.
second guessing. I think that was Jack in the Box.
I said
Or Carl's. I
Hey,
said
number
Okay,
Carl's.
we're on the fourth one now.
Oh no,
Yeah.
man.
This is our fourth one,
We
right?
done
Yes.
4 already? This is our fourth
This
one?
is our fourth.
Okay, cool.
Jay, we're only halfway
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, girl. Okay, they're in front of you.
I gotta memorize.
Yeah, that's what I had.
So.
Oh, I know this one. I know.
You're hard.
Oh, this is so
Okay.
easy. This is so easy.
What the heck? Like a potato chip. Oh, I know
This is so easy.
Oh.
You got taste.
One more.
Easy. Easy.
These things are.
Hey,
Anybody else?
You
If
know
you,
what?
if you don't get these,
Just get more for fun.
No, I know.
No,
what
we're
it
I
is.
was like,
Anybody else?
yeah,
Just
I'm
for
good.
fun.
Anybody else?
No.
man,
Just for
these things are
Just get more for
salty.
fun, guys.
Yeah.
I don't like these ones.
Yeah, I know these.
Oh, we never rated any of them.
Oh, you're
We're not
right.
rating
we're not
them
rating
this
them.
time.
Okay.
my water here? Did you drink my water? No.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's easy.
Did you grab my napkin?
Good there, pal.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah,
All
bro.
You
right.
guessing this one?
I'm just listening. I like to have my eyes closed and just listen, bro.
3, 2, 1.
In
and out.
Wow.
Yeah, if you didn't get that, that was
You guys die?
No, we knew.
I knew. It hit the top of my
They
gun.
went to the place and said, extra crispy, please.
Yeah, those things
No,
are
you
hard.
said
Yeah,
extra
because
fry.
they dried up on the drive here.
Yep.
On the
That's
ride.
the only thing you can tell is like if you eat it when they're cold, it's like raw. They're like
You know, but that's the
delicious.
last place we got it. So like that was from there
Oh,
to
those
here.
were fresh?
Yeah.
That's horrible. That's the best food, but
We
poor
should have asked for
quality.
how did they ask for it? Medium well.
Yeah, but then like you would get confused with McDonald's.
What can you get medium well?
Hey.
You
What
get
do
French
you
fries
get,
medium
fries?
well?
I don't know what KFC.
Yeah, I don't know KFC.
See, that's
either.
where I come
I
in and I
like
just hit home run.
Yeah, maybe.
Also, you're for sure
Maybe.
certain that KFC has not come
He
out yet.
tasted one before he came.
Oh, whoa, whoa,
KFC
wait! I
is
didn't
not
say
good
that.
at
I did not say
It
that.
sounded like you did.
I know for a fact
You're
KFC.
There it is.
Well, I can't tell you guys nothing because you're not competition.
Here we go.
We're not
There's a
family
video
right
chance
now. This is my type of competition. I'll tell you
I
that.
know.
I
My
can-
type of
You got all the burgers
I
right.
can compete in this.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, you only need one with this one.
Oh, I bet you already know what it is by Monica's comment.
Yeah, Monica, shit. Yeah,
That's so good.
Does anyone want another one?
yeah I want one.
Hey, you don't even need to have it
I'm
if you
getting
already
there,
know.
I'm getting there.
Oh.
We go get him, get him, get him.
Wait, I get one more. Yeah, one more.
One more? Yeah, he doesn't want one.
We're good.
I think I know. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not even cleansing my palate. I'm just saying, bring it on.
Just bring the heat.
Easy.
Man,
I thought it was gonna be. Oh.
All right.
this establishment
I'm ready.
is not the best.
Okay,
Yeah, this guy.
2, 1.
Double!
Wow.
Dude, I had to get the. I had to get another one.
for a second. I was like,
Okay, I'll take that.
I had to like get another one and see how.
Then you want to change your answer, huh?
Only because it was too soft.
Unless it's a sleeper.
They're the only ones that. Me?
I don't know if I can tell.
I don't want to tell that something they had chili.
No.
I don't really think that.
Yeah, you can.
Crinkle.
Crinkle.
It didn't have the.
If you would have thrown a Carl's Jr., you know,
Chris Cut.
Yeah.
Dude, I think I mixed my KFC and my Jack's.
The hardest ones so far were,
I think you're right.
were the car. Well, actually, I'm not gonna tell you guys.
It was the first two. Well, actually, the first one I knew.
The first two.
Oh.
All I know is
it's
that
still coming.
me and Ray are taking off
They
right now.
saved the best for last. They saved the best for
Okay,
last.
who's about to go off right now? Anyways.
If you have a mystery wings then?
Yeah.
So we're not gonna give them the name of the place, rather you're just gonna have to guess.
No, they already know.
no, they don't know this one.
They
Yeah,
don't
they
know
don't
what
know
this one is from.
Yeah, exactly. There's no,
Take a guess.
we're not even gonna get a hint of where it's from.
Oh dang!
Oh,
Hold on, maybe we're ready for Noah.
Yeah, I won't say it though.
For the sake of the game.
Oh, it's
He's gonna say it.
I know it too,
We
though.
don't know if they already tasted
I
it.
can't
Yeah,
say.
that's what I said.
Well, I didn't taste it, but I know the taste. I'll eat it though, but I won't say it.
So you don't say
Buffalo
it.
Wild Wings.
Yeah.
I love their fries.
Oh, Mom, good
Their fries
shout
look-
out,
their
Mom.
fries
Wait,
look-
who would wait in line?
We're looking for
right now?
sponsors. I want sponsors.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
All these establishments sponsor us.
Can the water bottles go
We're qualified.
We ready?
Cardenas.
Yeah.
Stater Brothers? I thought that was number 3.
This could be anything.
Okay.
It's Stater Brothers.
The potato wedges. My hands are greasy. I didn't even touch the fry.
Monica knows.
Monica thinks
Hey,
she's
tell me when
locked
you're ready.
in for some reason. Thinks she
Oh.
knows this
Did you
place.
see that one?
I mean,
Anybody else?
One more.
Nope, we're good.
Wait a minute.
Gucci.
wait, can I have
Gucci.
You want more deal?
one?
Another one?
Yeah.
Maybe you don't.
Samara, let me have one more.
I do.
Okay.
I do.
Wait, so we can't.
Bro, you want another one?
No.
This guy.
Yeah, we
You
can.
can say it. Yeah, it should be easy.
Yeah, we can say.
I see what you're doing. What? Let me have one more.
You can't see.
Oh, I know where these are from.
Wait, do you want another one?
Nah, you don't, Melissa.
Yeah, one
Yeah?
more.
Melissa,
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think you've ever had these ones. Melissa?
Oh.
Because you don't like this place.
I know, but that's
Wait,
so
is this a different place or what?
Hey!
It could be anywhere.
I can taste it. I know. Right, ready?
Wait. Okay.
Guys, it's so complicated.
So anywhere?
This. I have
Just
two
one of
places
the,
in
any of the
mind.
ones that are here.
I have 2 places in mind.
I am ready.
Let's go. Let's do it.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Wait, who's saying ready?
I don't know.
I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3.
Call it. 3, 2, 1.
Cannabis!
Wow, they're not doing that now. This is-
It's a curly
Got
fry.
it.
KFC from KFC curly fry.
I said
shoot.
Jack's. Wait, I'm so confused.
Okay, wait, we're gonna have to go
I
there.
tasted.
Hold on,
hold on.
It could be. It could be. It could
No,
be
they
KFC.
just say one.
Yeah, say
Monica,
one.
the one you
change
said,
your-
you have to
Oh,
stay
the
by
one
that.
that I said is Jack's. I
Yeah.
said Jack's.
You're
curly
influencing me too much.
Monica,
KFC.
I mean, Melissa. Right?
I said Jack's.
I said Jack's.
Oh,
Curly fry.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get
Oh, I
specific.
just threw this point away.
It has to be.
I said Jack's. I said the habit.
Dang.
Have it?
Wow.
We didn't have him, you know?
See this guy right here?
One of the ones that are here.
I was
Hey, he
gonna say.
might be on the box though.
No,
It's
pick
okay.
another one. Pick another. Yeah,
KFC.
Okay, KFC.
I was so confused. Cause he said
That wasn't
choose
even an
anywhere
option,
around
was
here.
it?
He said choose anywhere. I was like, Moses is like
Well,
Chili's.
it's because you guys said this was a special one, so we didn't know if it
Yeah.
was two of the same places.
Well, you just gotta know your fries.
What, Grandma?
That's what it comes down to.
You gotta know your
I
fries.
wait, what?
Okay.
Did everybody answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
everyone
that's my
answered.
theory. This is
There we
crazy.
go. Okay.
It could have been Jack's. It could have been Popeyes. It could have been KFC. Only
Yeah.
because they have
I
that
taste,
Cajun style.
yeah, I can taste the gravy in it.
Gravy.
There we go.
Okay, you ready?
Watch your ballot.
Give me what you got, Bob Barker.
Wait, how many are left?
I don't know.
Two. This one and one more.
Man.
Here I am, Timmy.
What the?
Oh, I know this one. I know this one.
This guy. Elijah didn't give me sick.
I love these fries.
Oh man, I got this one.
Oh.
Dang, you gave him 3?
Hey, these fries are so good. I love
Yeah,
them.
never.
Anybody ask another one?
Wait, hold
Oh,
on.
yeah.
He said this guy is so good.
Wait, one more. Hold
One
on,
more?
hold on. Yeah. I don't know where I haven't
Got it.
said from.
I
got it.
I know this one.
One
I
more?
know this one.
I got it.
They all have this company. Anybody have
Yes,
one more?
yes.
Yeah, I need one.
They got the one wrong, but
I have one more.
Wait, Dad, let me see that one again, Dad.
Another one?
Yeah.
Can I have one of those? Yes, ma'am.
I love these ones.
Wait.
Okay.
Going on.
Wait, hold on.
Everybody else good?
Oh,
Wait.
damn. This is throwing me for
I
a
know
loop.
it. I know.
I
it.
know what
Yeah,
deal. I need another one.
He's like, hoping for
Yeah.
3.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good.
I don't get one.
I'm gonna just take my
Okay.
shot.
Shoot. Okay.
I do.
I think
Oh man, I don't know.
I feel-
Establishments are rough.
2, 1.
KFC!
KFC.
Now you know.
Honestly, I said
I heard you said Burger King.
I
though.
never said Burger King.
Oh, he didn't
On
say Burger
everything,
King.
I said
Burger
KFC.
King.
Oh, okay.
He said
Honestly,
KFC.
I said KFC.
Okay.
I said Burger King.
Hey, it tastes like mashed potatoes.
Yeah,
That one has.
KFC.
That-
Okay,
I said Burger King.
Okay.
I said Burger King.
I said KFC.
Okay.
I said
Everything.
KFC. That one had a lot
I
of
said
flavor.
KFC too.
I said McDonald's.
Oh, wow.
This guy.
I
At this
just
point,
like that.
at this point, he's just eating.
Yeah.
That's the water.
Yeah.
At this one, you're mashed
At this
potatoes.
point, this guy's just eating.
It's just a stereotype.
For real.
You know, for a second, they were big.
Hey, those were the most
They threw me
tasty.
off.
I love
Those ones had a lot of
But Burger King are so big too.
What?
How did they?
The
do
other
that?
ones were
You're
just
so
potato.
confident.
This one had like
But they
something
said
on top of it.
KFC.
Oh no!
It's because I used to get
Okay,
my guys.
okay,
That's
okay.
the last one.
Alright, the last one. I'm ready.
There's only one I haven't
Ready?
said.
You ready?
Should be this one. It
I
should
know
be
this one.
Wait,
already.
what? Can you name
Should
one?
be.
No, wait. You read another one.
We went.
McDonald's, Carl's Jr.,
No.
Del Taco, Burger King, Jack's,
This one.
In-N-Out, and KFC.
And Carl's.
McDonald's, Carl's, Del
sorry.
Taco, Burger King, Jack's,
Oh yeah.
In-N-Out, KFC.
Does anyone need another?
Oh yeah, baby. We're 10 for 10.
You guys are double dipped already like 3 times, man.
Not me.
He's
Another
on
one?
10 for 10.
Yeah.
I know.
I have it. I'm still.
Wait.
Name
I
your
know these
places
fries.
again.
Yeah.
Okay, the McDonald's, Carl's,
Let me see
Del
that.
Taco, Burger King,
Make sure.
Jack's, In-N-Out, KFC.
I know this one.
Dang it.
I didn't know that one.
Yeah.
And
You
Burger
see
King.
that?
Okay, ready?
Wait, Mom, say
Hold on,
it
Jack,
again.
can I have
Is
another
that
one?
it? You guys can wait. Can I get one
McDonald's,
more?
Burger King, Carl's Jr.,
Another one, Elijah?
Yeah.
Del
Please.
Taco.
Here you go.
She's like really.
I just gave her another one.
Oh, okay. I'm like, she's
Yeah.
I know.
Here
Yeah.
you go.
We're good.
Mom, say them again.
It's McDonald's, Carl's Jr., Del Taco, Burger King, Jack's, In-N-Out, KFC.
I know this one.
All right, I got.
Okay.
The winners
Wait, I don't know
are-
which one I didn't say.
I don't remember either.
Okay.
McDonald's, I got KFC, I got Burger
Okay,
King.
Actually,
Here
I'm
we
stuck
go.
between
Three.
two.
I don't remember if I said this already.
It's the one I didn't
What?
say.
Burger
Carl's.
King.
Burger King. Have
I
it
said
your way.
Carl's Jr.
I said Carl's.
Have
Burger
it your
King.
way.
So, okay, let's start again. Moses,
Burger King.
is that
Burger King.
Elijah,
Burger King.
Raymond,
Burger King.
Liz.
Carl's.
Have it your way.
Carl's.
Some of you guys said Burger King like 3 times, bro. I'm just like,
We take it off.
you're done, right?
Okay, yeah,
Is somebody
They're
telling it up first?
Okay,
Oh.
you're done.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Have it your way.
That was hard. I'm not gonna lie.
I killed my water. I saw
Do we
salt.
have the
in it.
same on every answer? Me and you?
Yeah, we're everything.
Yeah, you guys gotta.
Elijah,
Me and
I'm asking.
me and you were perfect. Me and you were
cheater.
perfect.
He's a cheater.
How am I a cheater? I know my
Because
ties.
he lost in the burger one, and he's like, "I got you,
So
Ray."
you got even know what
I got you.
Hey,
I chose how the order was going before I.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay. So for the first one, Mo, you said Burger King. Zay said McDonald's. Lige said McDonald's. Ray said everyone else said McDonald's except Mo. And the answer was McDonald's.
Yeah.
Okay, keep track of your points, cause.
All right, I got one nut.
Okay.
this guy is one nut.
Okay. For the second one.
This one I could have.
For the second one, Mo said Carl's, Zay said Carl's, Lige said Carl's, Ray said Carl's, Melissa said Jack's, and Monica said KFC. And the answer was Carl's.
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah, he's like,
Oh, it all went downhill from
Two for two.
that means yeah.
Okay, for the third one, Mo said Jack's.
It was Jax. I knew.
Everyone said Jack's for the third one except Monica, and the answer was Jack's.
Yeah.
Tree for tree.
I got two.
Number
I
two,
said
my
Carl's
lord. Number
twice,
two.
huh?
Yeah, you did.
Dang it.
Oh, so I didn't get Jax right.
Is it me and you right? It's me and Isaiah right now.
Wait, so I
Perfect
did
score.
get it right.
I'm lost.
But Isaiah said one different. I'm pretty sure
I
though.
know.
Oh, poor guy.
I won.
Okay, for the fourth one, everyone said In-N-Out, and the answer was In-N-Out.
Yes.
4 for 4.
I got three. I need
It's
Ray to
okay
miss one.
if I miss one. That's all right.
Yeah. How many did you got?
This guy already has like 2 hands up. I think you got 3 more. Is it what I got 3?
Monica
Yeah,
has
so
two.
we got two.
Okay, for the fifth one, everyone said Del Taco, and it was Del Taco.
Yep.
That was
Cool.
mushy.
Yeah, it was.
Goodness
Those are
gracious.
good.
I know because
You
Jay
can
and them
feel
get
it.
them, and
I
I'm
Waited
good.
so long
Yeah.
in the line
I
just to
started to
get
get
those?
another one.
Okay.
For the sixth one, Mo said KFC. They said curly fries, Jack's curly fries. Everyone else said, Lige said curly fries, Ray said curly fries.
Jets.
I said
You said Jets.
KFC curly fries.
Yeah, you said KFC.
Yeah, I know. I was
That'd be
gonna
crazy
say
if you got
I
that.
said KFC, and then Monica said the curly fries, and it was Jack in the Box. No curly.
What?
Yeah, it wasn't good.
It was
They,
65.
they weren't curly fries,
No, they weren't.
Wait, what?
but they were from
But
Jack.
Well, they were from Jack's though.
I still.
I said
still
Jack's.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Sorry, I put one extra number. My bad. Yeah, they were.
The curly
Oh.
fries.
Yeah, I was like, there's no way it
I
wasn't
put
a curly
them on
fry.
accident on the bottom.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
you're
okay.
right.
We'll let you slide.
Yeah.
Alright.
So was the curly fries?
Yes,
Yes.
it wasn't KFC.
Did I throw you off when I said you don't like this? You don't like this?
No, and so it made me think. Okay, really, it's
Cheater!
KFC. You're a cheater.
I was like KFC, so I'm like, why is saying that?
Because I knew that this is the only one she didn't know. But you should know that taste. Come on, like
I know, but have you had the curly fries from
Carl's
KFC?
and Jack's.
They
they
have
almost
curly
taste the
fries?
same.
Yes.
oh, I
And
never
they're
tried.
seasoned fries.
6 for 6. Go.
Okay, for the seventh one, Mo said McDonald's, Zay said KFC, Lige, Ray, Melissa. Oh no, Lige and Ray said KFC. Melissa said Burger King, and Monica said Burger King, and the answer was KFC.
I got that right, right? Yeah.
Yeah. You guys are fried
Yeah, I
fanatics.
I would
just
fry
eat 'em,
myself
I
if
don't
I
taste
could.
'em.
And for the last one, Mo said Burger King, Zay said Burger King, Lige said Burger King, Raymond said Burger King,
There you go.
and Melissa
Wow.
Monica
Isaiah got
said
them all too?
Carl's. And the answer was Burger King.
Yeah.
8 for 8.
Wow.
Hey, Bray,
you
baby,
got
clear the
all
board.
of them.
Hey, so you got
Right.
I got five.
We got a problem.
Cleared.
Dang.
Yo,
We obviously have an
honestly,
issue.
I love your
I don't know if it's good or bad. That's
Yeah,
right.
I think it's good or bad.
For 8, they got them all right.
That is.
I got five, I'll take it.
wild.
That's crazy.
All right, Theo Vic.
All right, you guys
Yeah,
are
well,
up.
You can't do it.
Thank you guys for watching and having the journey along with us, tasting our fries. And, you know, some of us did better than others. We're not going to name names.
Catch me again with the burgers.
But
Catch me with the nuggets.
thank you guys for watching the channel, and we'll see you guys later.